I'm about to leave for my parents because I'm kind of sick and tired of everything and all the moving and stuff. So I decided to go home for one night, have one night of calmness and just relax and maybe do some shopping because I saw this really cute lace detailing that you can stick on your windows. So I thought I would get that because it's really cute, and I'm like a little grandma inside. I like flowers and lace and just everything cute and old. So I'm gonna get that today in the city near my parents because they live somewhere else, not here, obviously. So yeah, maybe I'll show you around a little bit. Hey, so it's night now. This is basically what I've been doing ever since I got to my parents' house, which is sitting on my bed and watching TV. So, yeah, boring day. But tomorrow I'm gonna go back to my own place and continue packing. So, see you tomorrow.